Most Amazon reviews are filtered. This is the real breakdown of whether this product is actually worth it. Today we're diving deep into the GoPro Hero. Forget the latest numbered models for a moment. This original Hero, or a simpler iteration often marketed under just GoPro Hero, still packs a punch for its price point. What if I told you that for many, this basic GoPro could be a smarter, more cost-effective choice than its pricier siblings? So, what exactly is the GoPro Hero? At its core, it's a compact, durable, and highly versatile action camera designed to go where your phone can't. Made by GoPro, the brand synonymous with adventure videography, this camera is built for rough and tumble scenarios. Think surfing, skiing, mountain biking, or just everyday life with kids. It's purpose-built to solve the problem of capturing stunning, immersive footage from your point of view, without worrying about water damage, drops, or bulky equipment. It democratized action filmmaking, letting anyone document their wildest experiences in crisp detail, transforming fleeting moments into shareable memories. It's not just a camera, it's a storytelling tool for the adventurous at heart. Let's break down the core features that truly make the GoPro Hero a compelling option, and more importantly, explain why each matters to you. First up, we have 4K Ultra HD video. This isn't just a marketing buzzword, it means your footage will be incredibly sharp and detailed, offering a level of clarity that truly brings your adventures to life. This allows for professional-looking video quality on a budget. You can crop into your shots in post-production without a significant loss in quality, giving you immense flexibility, and it future-proofs your content for today's high-resolution displays. Next, the 12MP photo capability ensures you're not just limited to video. While action cameras naturally excel at capturing motion, a robust photo mode means you can snap sharp, vibrant still images of your adventures. This is crucial for quick social media shares, creating compelling thumbnails, or printing memorable moments when video isn't necessary, adding a layer of versatility often missed by cheaper competitors. Thirdly, its compact and lightweight design is absolutely paramount for an action camera. It's specifically designed to be mounted almost anywhere, on helmets, bikes, surfboards, or simply held without fatigue. Its small footprint means it's incredibly portable, easily fitting into any pocket or small bag, so you're always ready to capture the moment without being weighed down by gear. The link in the description is an affiliate link, use it to purchase and support the channel. Thank you for watching. Like, share and comment which Amazon product you want next to be reviewed.